So what the state has gotten wrong here, and what I think the Supreme Court has now corrected, is they flipped the presumption upside down. The presumption has always traditionally been that fit parents act in their children's best interests, unless there's compelling reason to think otherwise. Instead, what California did was that they kind of flipped that upside down and they said, no, we're going to presume that parents are going to be negative and react, in a bad way unless there's a good reason to tell them. So the state put itself in a position of higher importance than parents, and that presumption was completely backwards. And so that's now been corrected, thankfully, by the Supreme Court. Well, I think this ruling rather clearly says that these policies are unconstitutional. I mean, and that's nationwide. That's not just California. So every school district, every state that has these policies on the books should immediately get into compliance with the Supreme Court's ruling here and rescind those policies. They're no longer lawful. So I think the AG Bonta has aggressively defended these policies, but the Supreme Court has now kind of clearly established that these are unconstitutional. So it's time to turn the page and get in compliance with the court's ruling.